Industry 4.0. What is it and how does it affect the global system and foreign affairs? In one short sentence, Industry 4.0 enables autonomous manufacturing. This has far-reaching consequences, but to put it in the right context, let's go back into history. The first three industrial revolutions used steam, electricity, and computers to scale out manufacturing processes, enable the individual machines on a factory floor to interact with each other using electricity much more efficiently, and to organize the complete supply chain and the whole factory floor, including machines and people, in the most effective way. This was done in a specific manner, but with Industry 4.0 we can go beyond this. We can automate this exact process by replacing people with robots that are able to work 24/7 in dark factory halls and lift heavier weights or work more intricately and have lower error rates. All of this is wonderful, but we can do even more. If we integrate our robots into the Internet of Things, if we equip them with sensors, and if we power them and their intellectual capabilities using artificial intelligence, then they can detect patterns. They can react to whatever they sense around them. They can integrate their decision-making into the supply chain and into the context of their environment, and can perform much more elaborate transactions. They can act autonomously because based on what they see and what they sense, they can trigger the use of actuators of their robotic arms in one way or the other way without specific human intervention. This makes the whole factory floor autonomous. Suddenly, we do not need humans at all in the picture, even if we change the input requirements, designs, if we change the actual input when it arrives, customer requirements. All of this is done on the digital control layer. But the digital control layer can be anywhere. While then, if we don't have to worry about specifically trained human beings and specific skill sets that may be somewhere and about low cost for manual labor, we can onshore our manufacturing. We can fabricate locally, control digitally, globally. Again, a localization of manufacturing, a globalization of the digital control layers. This is where Industry 4.0 leads us. And that means it leads us towards the new commons, because no longer do we need to protect the seas because we ship semi-finished materials around the globe, across oceans or across continents. We need to protect the real control layers, where the real value is created, which is the digital spheres. These are the new commons. And these new commons must be protected, must be optimized. This is where the training happens. This is where we are making sure that manufacturing works most efficiently for us. Fabrication will be onshore. The control layer will be globally, and that's the one we need to optimize. We then have supply chains that design digitally. We train the people that maintain remotely, and they will maintain machines remotely. All we need is multifunctional robots that are having a link to the digital control layers and can, using their sensory input capability and AI, are able to operate totally independently of specific human input while they're working. If you want to find out more about all of these aspects, please go to foreignaffairsforum.org and particularly check out Tectonic Essentials for Foreign Affairs, a course in which I go into much more detail about these aspects. Thank you.